Sorry about all the background noise. That's my dad working on the tractor, but look at all those birds. That big black mass over there is just birds. Oh my goodness. They're just spiraling around, going over around, I think, water areas. Sorry if it's a bit blurry sometimes. Stupid phone. Sorry about it. How the garbage look. Sorry about the bad focus. I'll come back in a second when it's starting to focus again. Okay, now that my phone's focusing, you can just see, look at all those birds. They're all around here, even up on that random tree. There's too many for that one poor tree. The light, then the wires, it's all way too filled up, and then over here, there's tons of birds on those other wires. Sorry about the shakiness. I'm zooming my camera in as much as possible. Manually. And also, I do not know how to edit. Well, I'm just amazed at how many birds are out here right now. They're all congregating in that one little area. Oh, and they're starting to fly off again. Probably gonna move to random other spots where there's a random. Yep, they are landing right over there. They're congregating. Oh, those guys are flying off. I'm gonna zoom out a little bit. Sorry about my camera, it's a piece of garbage. Come back when it refocuses. Yep, now my camera's focused. I'm gonna slowly zoom out so my camera has time to. Look at how many flipping birds there are. Over there, birds. Over there, birds. Camera really just looks kind of like a big black mess. And tons of them are flying off to who knows where. Focusing back in on this big mass, which is really it's just kind of creepy. Birds flying off doing other stuff again. And some cows as well. Birds flying by cows, if you can see it. Yep. You can kind of see those little black dots flying by the cows. So if it looks a bit weird. So many birds. Too many birds in reality. Oh, the little bird that was next to me flew away. Cinder! Sorry about me yelling on camera, it's my stupid dog. Now that I got my dog back, I can continue make footage of these weird birds. And my camera's out of focus again. I'll come back when it's back in focus. Oh, sorry about that weird little pause. I accidentally thought my camera didn't pause. Earlier, it looked like at least 5,000 birds. The most I think would be is like 10,000. There's just tons of birds. So if I'm looking in weird spots, I don't pay attention to the camera sometimes. You just go out of focus. am really sorry about that background noise. My camera can't decide if it wants to focus or not. Well, there's my dog. Cinder. Yeah, you're on camera. What are you gonna do? You're gonna be YouTube. You're gonna be on YouTube. Yeah. I love that. She just looks at me like, what the heck, human? Now back to the birds. Wow, it's still in focus for the birds, and you can still see them, and they're not a big black blob. Oh, there goes some birds. Going off doing lots of things. Oh, a piece of wood. Okay, time to get back to all those birds. Before I started the video, they covered almost all of that ground over there. Sorry if I stutter a little bit. I get confused. They used to cover almost all around, like some of this grassy area that has no birds on it used to have some birds on it. It was insane. Might have been some of that on camera, but I can't remember. I have bad memory. Oh, there's some birds flying off again. Sorry if I go a bit fast. Oh, sorry. Went out of focus again. Okay, I didn't think I got any of those birds that were flying by right over me on camera. Probably have birds in the camera on camera. Sorry if I stutter sometimes. I hate it when I do that. Sorry about the sniffling a few times as well, though. From the shadow of the tree, I thought it was like an animal standing by it on camera, but it isn't. It's just the shadow. Tree full of birds. Oh my goodness, there's more birds somewhere over there. You can see them just past that light pole. There might be a few little, not the light pole, the electricity pole. Might have been able to see some birds flying. Sorry, going out of focus again. Oh, yep, you can see some of those far off birds flying. These birds are everywhere for some reason today. Tons of more birds flying. They're going crazy right now. Change to over there. Still tons of birds. Sorry about this. I'm holding it with one hand now. And back to these birds. I think my camera's gonna shut off in a bit. This is a long video for me. If the camera does shut off and I still want to make more videos, there will be a part 2. My camera shuts off at 10 minutes. I don't know why. It's annoying. Sorry about the shakiness, moving it to the other hand. Well, I guess. See you later. Have a good time. Have a good day. And goodbye.